Okay, so I'm going to show you how to Korean backdash and player 2 side. The way you hold the stick is unimportant. People have different sticks, different hands. So, like most, you do a normal backdash, and then you go to down back, okay? I like to curl my fingers like this. It helps. When you let go of the stick, there's an important part that I'll tell you in a second. What you need to know right now is do not hit down. If you hit down, you mess up. So you have to do a clean down back and don't hit down. So back, down back, and then release. The release is important. When you release the stick, this is why I curl my fingers, you have to release up. Don't release perfectly back to neutral. You have to release the stick up. Doing this makes the stick hit back. The entire motion should be like this. Not this, not a triangle. It should be like this. So when you do it correctly, it just looks like this. You can kind of hear that back, that right there. This is it real slow. See how I'm going back, up? So it's back, and then back to up. And then like this. This motion right here from the down back to the up, don't think about it. This is simply, you need to focus on making your hand capable of doing this naturally. So that, see, I'm not thinking about doing it, and I'm still hitting that back while I'm doing that. Then you just hit back again. So, altogether, it's... Now, remember, you only need to hit back one time. So, when you do it normally in-game, it's going to be back, and then you're just going to do that. And it's going to buffer into itself over and over again. There you go. I realize I'm not perfect at it, but it's a concept.